Welcome to ECCU Labs, a cloud-powered cyber range where you build practical, real-world cybersecurity skills. From the moment you log in, your lab is ready. Tools, networks, and targets are pre-configured so you can focus on learning, not setup. You'll be given clear instructions, full control, and access to real-life cybersecurity scenarios. Immerse yourself in hands-on lab exercises on ethical hacking, digital forensics, secure coding, network defense, SOC operations, and much more. With hundreds of labs, you'll sharpen your ability to detect cyber threats faster and respond with confidence. Train using the same tools as cybersecurity professionals, from Nmap and Kali Linux to forensic suites and enterprise defenses. Practice at your own pace, save your progress, and resume anytime at exactly where you left off. Gain real-world skills and experience and take on sophisticated cyber threats, only at ECCU.